Welcome to a quick unboxing video of the new Casio smartwatch. It's not something I'd normally do, but it's such a cool piece of tech, I thought I would make a video. So, first thing you can see is that the boxes are changed now, and this is the GBD H1000, and I've gone for the black and neon orange one. Nice. So they've done away with the tin containers, the steel containers, which was quite nice. Instead you've got obviously recyclable cases, which is probably better for the environment. So let's have a look what we get. So in here I assume it's probably the manuals, warranty, and also the charging cable. And this is Casio's smartwatch. Got built-in GPS, heart rate monitor, links to your smartphone, solar powered as well, which is one of the reasons for choosing it. But what you really want to see is probably the watch. So let's have a look. And I've gone for a limited edition one, which you'll see in a minute. And here we go. Let's have a look at that. So this is the limited edition, gold, orange and blue. See the charging port there. That is very nice. Quite heavy compared to the normal G Shocks. So I've got the old hyper complex one on. But this is obviously got the smartphone connections and sensors built in. Buttons are nice. There's your bog standard time. And let's have a look at the light. Difficult to see when it's light anyway. Okay, so first impressions are this is very nice. Very nice piece of kit. So like and subscribe, and I'll be doing some more videos which will go through all the different functions and features and how to set it up.